Assalamualaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. We are facing a very critical situation. At this moment, it is very difficult to us to continue our classes in our school premises. So, we arrange to take your classes in online platform. Today, I will discuss about adjective of class 7. The students, maybe you know about adjective in your previous classes. Today, I will try to discuss in details about the classification of adjective. So before discussing about the classification of adjective, at first we should have to know what is adjective. If we want to define adjective, we can say that the word which express quality, state, fault of noun and pronoun, that word is called adjective. I repeat, the word which express quality, state or fault of noun or pronoun, that word is called adjective. There are, look at the example. Mr. Rahman is a wise person. Here, wise is the adjective because it expresses the quality of Mr. Rahman, and Mr. Rahman is noun. So I told you before that the word which express quality or state or fault of noun or pronoun, that word is called adjective. Look at another example. He is a brilliant student. He is a brilliant student. Here, brilliant is adjective because it expresses the quality of he. He is a kind of pronoun. So I think you may clear what is adjective. Now I will discuss the classification of adjective. Before discuss the classification of adjective, at first I want to discuss the uses of adjective. There are two uses of adjective. They are attributive uses of adjective and predicative uses of adjective. Attributive uses of adjective and predicative uses of adjective. Attributed attributive uses of adjective and predicative uses of adjective. So, what is attributive uses of adjective? At first, we will learn what is attributive uses of adjective. Attributive uses of adjective is such kind of adjective which sits before noun and indirectly instruct that noun. For example, we can say that Rohim is a good boy. If we translate this sentence, we can translate this sentence into Bangla. We can say that Rohim ekjon bhalo chele. Here, good is adjective. It sits before the word boy. Boy is a kind of noun and it indirectly instructs Rohim, that is noun. So, good is attributive uses of adjective. Then I will discuss what is predicative uses of adjective. Generally, the adjective which sits after to be verb, that kind of adjective is predicative uses of adjective. For example, you can see the sentence, he is wise. Here is to be verb and wise is adjective. So wise sits before, wise sits after to be verb. So this wise is predicative uses of adjective. Now I will discuss the classification of adjective. Generally there are four kinds of adjective. They are descriptive adjective, descriptive adjective or adjective of quality. Second, quantitative adjective, quantitative adjective or adjective of quantity. Number 3, numeral adjective, numeral adjective or adjective of number. And last one is pronominal adjective, pronominal adjective. So we find that there are four kinds of adjective. They are descriptive adjective or adjective of quality, quantitative adjective or adjective of quantity, numeral adjective or adjective of number, pronominal adjective. So in my next class I will discuss about details what is descriptive adjective, what is quantitative adjective, what is numeral adjective and what is pronominal adjective. So try to read your textbook, then you will understand better what I want to say. Keep fine. Thank you very much.